Have you ever pondered what elevates a city to a top tourist destination? Today we embark on a journey to explore 5 of the world's most important tourist cities. Each city, with its iconic landmarks and cultural treasures, offers unique experiences that cater to diverse interests. Whether you're in search of adventure, history, or relaxation, these cities promise something for everyone. Let's dive into their distinctive features and the types of tourism they offer. Ready to begin our journey? Let's go. First on our list is Paris, the city of light. Renowned for its romantic ambiance, Paris boasts iconic landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum. Cultural tourism thrives here, with its art galleries, historic sites, and world-class cuisine. Next, we head to New York City, a vibrant melting pot of cultures. From the dazzling Broadway shows to the serene Central Park, the Big Apple epitomizes urban tourism at its finest. The opportunities for shopping, dining, and entertainment are endless. Moving on, Tokyo captivates with its unique blend of tradition and innovation. Visitors can explore ancient temples or immerse themselves in the futuristic world of technology. Tokyo is a hub for cultural and tech tourism. Then, we arrive in Rome, a city rich in history. The Colosseum, Vatican City, and ancient ruins make it a paradise for history enthusiasts. Cultural and religious tourism are prominent here. Finally, Dubai offers a remarkable fusion of luxury and adventure. From its towering skyscrapers to exhilarating desert safaris, Dubai caters to both luxury and adventure tourists alike. Each of these cities provides distinct experiences, making them top destinations for travelers worldwide. Whether you're drawn to the romance of Paris, the vibrancy of New York, the innovation of Tokyo, the history of Rome, or the luxury of Dubai, there's something for everyone. These cities not only offer a variety of tourism types, but also showcase the diversity and richness of our world. So pack your bags and prepare to explore these amazing cities. Each visit promises to be an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, these cities will leave you with lasting memories. So, what are you waiting for? Embark on your next adventure and discover the wonders of these incredible destinations. Travel is not just about seeing new places, it's about experiencing new cultures and creating memories. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world's top tourist cities. We hope you found inspiration for your next trip. Remember, each city has its own story to tell. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Your journey starts here. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Goodbye.